Hello from Gamelan, in Kansas City. I wanted to make a quick video about how to repair a panggul that's wrapped in cord. If you have kajar or complete or reong or trompong, this may be useful. And you probably, if you've had your group for a while, you probably have a couple of these lying around that need to be fixed. I am by no means an expert in knotwork, but I just looked this up and it's pretty easy to do, so I figured you may be able to use it. So it's unlikely that these will unravel from both ends at the same time, so you probably just have one that's complete on one end and in good shape like here, but is unraveled on the other end like here. This one is for one of our kajars or complete, and I'm just going to use the cord that came with it. I thought that I would have to use new cord, so I went out and bought something that looks similar, this number 16 cotton twine, and turns out that I didn't need to get it. And I believe this is maybe a little bit too small, or a little smaller than the twine that's already on here. But so if you do find more, you'll probably want to get a smaller gauge, or bigger cord that's in a bigger diameter. So it'll probably have a smaller number, like 14, 12, 10, I don't know what. Either way, I didn't need to use it, so it doesn't matter. So you just take the cord, or at least this is what I've found that works for me. I got this from a book called it's called Knots, Useful and Ornamental by George Russell Shaw. It's an old book. There are probably ones on YouTube. All the only ones I could find about this dealt with archery and repairing the string for an archery bow. So I figured the Gamelan community could use this. So you just keep wrapping around, make sure it's good and tight. Keep going until you get close to the end, like really close to the end, I believe. Maybe 3 or 4 wraps. The book shows 4 wraps away from the end. Okay. And I believe I'm about there now. So I'm going to steady it with my thumb. In other words, keep it from unraveling. Take the end and pin it down here with my thumb, like so. Actually, I'm going to let out 1 or 2 wraps here, just so that I have a good amount wrapping over it. Alright, and then you keep wrapping. But now you've wrapped it over the part that you pinned down earlier. Okay. So there's one around there. There's maybe a better view right there. Go around again and over it a second time. And keep tucking the cord down so that it doesn't get loose later. And I'll see if I can do it another time. I'm making this look hard, but it's not that hard. I'm just clumsy. Okay, 3 wraps. And 4 wraps. I think I can probably get another one. Oh, I'm pulling on the wrong part there. I should be pulling on this part, not on this part. Otherwise that'll pull out your loose end. So as you can see, you've got it kind of trapped under there real nice. And I did it again. That's okay. Just gotta make sure I pull on the right loop, part of the loop. Okay, one last wrap, gets it good and close to the end. Alright, so now I should be able to just pull on your loose end of it. Pull it down through. There's a little, it's kind of bound up there. Yeah, that's good. Pull through. And so it's kind of wrapped up like that now. And I should be able to take my pocket knife and cut off that excess part. Ta-da!